This video is sponsored by English County, Mohammadi Furniture, Taj Shahi, Newson Fabrics Clothes Store, Upolis Fashion Store, Shweta Dentistry, and by Edify International School.
मैं नोबल स्कूल से बात कर रही हूँ। आज हमारे पास साइंस एंड क्राफ्ट एग्जीबिशन चल रही है और क्राफ्ट के लिए बहुत क्रिएटिव वर्क हमारे टीचर या लक्ष्मी मिस बहुत क्रिएटिव टीचर है। उन्होंने अच्छे से नए मॉडल्स और पेंटिंग्स समथिंग आउट ऑफ नथिंग वगैरह बनाते हैं। उसमें बच्चों के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा ये शौक़ पैदा होता है कि क्या बनाना चाहिए। ज्वेलरी है, पेंटिंग्स है, घर में यूज़ करने के समथिंग जो वेस्ट को काम में लाने के लिए ये बनाते हैं, उसके लिए ये है। और ये इसलिए हम एग्जीबिशन रखते हैं कि दूसरे लोग मोटिवेशन होना बच्चों को, और मोटिवेशन के ज़रिए वो लोग आगे इससे अच्छी चीज़ बनाना। इसलिए हमने दूसरे स्कूल्स को भी इनवाइट किया है, वो लोग भी आएंगे और आके देखकर इसको अप्रिशिएट करेंगे तो बच्चों को इंकरेजमेंट मिलेगा।
ये जो वर्क है पूरा प्राइमरी से लेके हाई स्कूल तक के स्टूडेंट ने किया है। समथिंग आउट ऑफ नथिंग जो भी है, कुशन से लेके ज्वेलरी आइटम, डायरी मेकिंग, पेंटिंग्स, हर चीज़ छोटे प्राइमरी के स्टूडेंट से लेके हाई स्कूल तक के स्टूडेंट ने किया है ये सारा वर्क। दैट क्रेडिट गोज टू लक्ष्मी मिस।
Consumers electronics means the electronics which are important in our daily life. Example, fridge, oven, mobile, washing machine, etc.
Good afternoon. Today we have conducted science exhibition in our school. The reason to conduct this exhibition is to create scientific attitude in children and to create science interest in them, and they should have reasoning, and they have done very nice models. All children have actively participated. They have taken innovative ideas and they have done on their own, and we have guided them, all science teachers, and it's the guidance of our principal madam and nursery madam, and all the children have actively participated in this.
Our children has made on different in biology, heart, about heart, the function of the heart, respiratory system, brain, as well as the excretory system. Apart from that, physics, there are so many models are there, and chemistry are also there, and solar energy and all that. When the energy is not possible, how to use the wind energy as well as solar energy, because our city is sun city. So this solar energy we can use instead of electricity.
And we are very glad to inform you that our children have done the models connected to real life. they can use these models in their real life, and they have used many innovative ideas. For example, like solar irrigation, solar cooker. This is without energy. They have shown all compost, fertilizers and all. Then water harvesting, then hydraulic bridge, hydraulic elevator, solar electricity, that is automatic street lights, solar electricity. Then there are many more like sonar, then wind energy, rockets, satellites, Tesla coil, then sedimentation, volcanoes. There are many more models. Altogether there are nearly 100 models which we have displayed only in high school. Then primary also there are different types of models.
The human respiratory system has two kidneys, a pair of ureters, a urinary bladder, and a urethra. This is the project about self-watering system for plants. This is the method adapted so as to provide water to the plants continuously even in our absence.
This video is sponsored by English County, Mohammadi Furniture, Taj Shahi, News and Fabrics Clothes Store, U Police Fashion Store, Shweta Dentistry, and by Edify International School.